Open what?
What is this
Today,
one? Today,
we are going to open.
And then we're going inside over here.
What is inside over here?
Unbox the
Pizza!
iPad.
iPad.
Pizza!
This is Zoe's.
How
iPad.
can we?
No, I mean, thank you, 1,000 subscribers.
I
Zoe,
cannot open
Zoe,
Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
For watching!
No, not that.
You say
Say thank you for
Thank you.
our.
Thank you for
Thank
our.
you for watching!
No,
Bye!
not that. Say thank you
For our 1,000
Subscribers.
subscribers. Thank you guys, 1,000 subscribers. Zoe got a reward. Yay! Because we're now monetized channel.
How can you open it to freeze it?
She just froze me. Come on, let's open that.
What color? What color is that? What color is
Come on,
this?
let's do the unboxing
Stop it,
here.
stop.
Yes. Freeze!
No, stop the freeze.
Oh, we open it now.
Are you excited? What's inside?
Yeah.
What's this?
Okay.
Apple iPad,
What's the
8th generation,
8th generation?
128 gigabyte.
Okay, what will you say to Mama and Papa?
What will you say? Don't kiss it.
What will you say to Mama and Papa first?
Freeze!
No,
No.
what will you say? We
Say
bought
thank
you.
you.
Don't scream. They
Yeah,
they
let's
will
open
not.
it.
Wow.
Wow.
Is this mine?
We'll all share with
We all
Let's
share.
all
Okay.
share.
Because sharing is
Is
sharing is.
caring. Let's
Thank
open it.
you.
Let's open it.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, wait.
Oops.
May saksakan dapat tayo. What color?
Wow,
It's rose gold.
Nice one. I like the color.
So,
It's a
ang kasama
fast
po niya
charger.
is a fast charger, rose gold, 128
Wow.
gigabyte with one wire charger. That's it.
That's it.
And a manual.
Your mama. Okay.
Hi guys, this is open the please.
Manual. And then,
Then
This is one.
I bought Zoe a casing from, how do you say that? Sub case?
Stop, please.
I don't know.
Sub case.
Yay!
Red one.
What color is this?
Red.
Are you sure it's red?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's red? Let me see.
Dun, 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 if it's red.
That one is better, right? Yeah, oh, it's nice.
How can we open it?
You want to open it?
Yeah. Brown papa.
Wow! What will you say to Mama and Papa?
What's this?
What will you say to Mama?
Hello. This is
So this is a hard casing with
With
stand.
Okay. So you can. Oh, that's why is it so hard?
Kung alam eh. How do you open? Oh, no! Don't wait! Don't open it yet.
It's a slime. It looks like a slimy.
Where's the?
The manual.
Yeah.
There's no manual.
I like your
Looks
iPad.
like
Zoe.
squishy.
Can I
And then this
have
is-
this? Can
How
I
do you
have
open this one? Or you push it?
Right, let's see.
I don't know.
Looks like it's squishy. Something is happening squishy to with that iPad.
I don't know.
Okay, let's put the tempered glass first. And then, I bought Zoe a tempered glass from Jet Tech. No, don't open it yet, anak. We'll put a tempered glass. So, hard casing, red.
Yeah, she
And
likes red. She likes it
You like red? Zoe? And
then
then,
remove this plastic first. You will let it.
a tempered glass. Let's
Look at-
open the tempered glass.
This one is only
I
for.
think this is guidance or something.
How's the picture looks like?
I think something
The picture?
is
Yeah.
happening.
It's nice.
No, I mean this one. How can you remove this?
I don't know.
Oh, you have to open it where? Click, click, click.
Paano hindi siya nag-i-stand?
Mag-i-stand to.
squishy.
Right, here's the open button. Let's close. Let's okay.
Throw up.
Thank you guys sa pag-suporta sa Team Breza's Vlog. Team Breza's Vlog pala. 1,000 subscribers. Mega love shoutout sa inyo po.
So it's like squishy.
Zoe, can you say mega love shoutout?
Mega shout
Ah, just
out.
like that.
Mega love shoutout.
Mega shout out.
Is it like that? Yeah. So yeah.
Insert a coin into the corner.
Oh no, it's not
Dive
like
out.
squishy.
Split front and back casing entirely.
There you go. Wait.
Wait, it's not squishy.
So how can you?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Looks like we're breaking something.
No, you don't break it.
Looks like Papa will break it, right? No, this one
What's this one?
is a phone.
Or insert a coin, sabi niya.
Hindi, this is this one. Insert a coin para
Oh, okay. But I don't know how to open this one.
Tingnan mo nga yung sa cellphone mo kung anong. How's the picture looks like when you ordered it? Is it,
Wala
is
na
it,
yun.
is it standing or
Yeah, it's standing.
huh?
It's
and
standing.
then we're gonna
Hold that
open
out, I'll put the tempered glass first. Okay? You have to wait, Zoe.
Oh,
You need to put the tempered glass first. I'll figure it out like later. Ah. Okay, I need the
no, Zoe.
scissor.
You let Papa fix it first. Hindi naman to ano. Ang hirap naman itong ano, stand niya, asawa.
Ah?
Ang hirap
May
naman.
lock yan siguro pa.
Hmm.
Has a lock.
Naku, si Zoe, tinanggal na lahat-lahat.
Wait, anak, don't do it that madudumi. We'll put the tempered glass first and then we...
Just wait, please.
What's this?
She's so excited.
Okay. So let's open this. I hope there's two. One for you and one for Ninang. Oh,
How
there's
many?
only one! Oh my!
Well, you ordered it one.
Hindi, kasi iba kasi... Yung mga iba kasi dalawa.
You wait. Say mega love shout out. Say mega love shout out. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing our channel. Kulit. Thank you.
I'm gonna do this.
Just remove them.
Ooh, looks like glittery, and then sweep with my, so I can put my toys over here, and then this one too.
Yeah. How can
You push this button.
it's not standing?
Just remove it. Okay. Let's wipe it first.
Wipe it out.
Remove
What?
excess dirt.
Hindi, wala naman siya dirt. Why you have to wipe it? Bago naman yan.
Pag bago, walang...
Ano
dirt.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Diba? Bago pa yan eh.
Wow. First, we gotta paint it. So, got the stamp it with over here.
Ay, nako. Buti pa si Zoe. Merong iPad. Can I borrow your iPad, Zoe?
Well, I'll say
We're
Apply 2-hinge sticker onto the back of your device.
and then makes it.
Align the protector skin.
So we're just gonna wait. Papa is the
Stick
installer.
the two.
And
We're
then
then
we're gonna cook this.
what color is that?
It calls always.
May harapan ito. Gagawin mo muna yung alay mo.
Ay, yung camera niya pero ba?
Ha?
Hindi, okay lang yun, matatakpan.
Hindi naman tatakpan may camera yun. May butas yan.
Hindi, yun ay.
Alin ito?
Hindi, ito, tinakpan din. Diba?
Transparent naman yan. No?
Okay, we're just gonna wait, guys. Zoe's reward
Stick.
for having 1,000 subscribers. Thank you,
Fill off
guys.
there. Clean the
Now,
surface.
Papa is installing
With
the
wet tissue, dust removal
tempered
Oh,
glass
yes.
screen protector.
sticker.
So, kahit malaglag ni Zoe, hindi siya masisira. Alam niyo naman po, pag bata, pag pinaglaruan, nalalaglag ang mga gadgets,
Okay.
mababasag.
Lalagay
So,
ko na.
we bought a screen protector. And then, wow! That's one.
I'm still that.
Look at that, Zoe. Look at that.
And then
Huwag kayo magulo ha.
we'll
Huwag daw magulo, sabi ni Papa.
sweep cheese here, here,
But may
and
handprint ka.
then what's wait? What's wait?
Let's wait for a minute. Papa is installing the screen protector.
I'm still using this.
Say mega love shout out.
Mega love shout out.
She's already into the mega love shout out.
And then
Ayan.
Sa akin na lang yan.
Mama, you'll give this to Mama?
we'll all say
Kuha ka ng coins, be.
Why?
Baka, ito, hindi ko alam. Ay, nabuksan mo na pala eh.
Yeah.
Paano mo
I
binuksan?
just try to. Medyo mahirap lang yan.
May ito pa, nabuksan na namin.
Napatayo.
Napatayo na namin pala. So, yan lang pala. Medyo bago pa kaya, no?
and
Na
then
ganon, ganon.
Medyo bago kaya. Virgin.
this is mine.
Sana nung panahon natin, no, mga guys.
Flip
Gusto
it,
yung gadget.
flip it, flip it, flip it.
You're so
Flip it.
spoiled. You're
I'm
so
flipping
spoiled.
this one.
Mm.
I'm cooking this one. I'm flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it.
Sana all my iPad. Sana all my iPad. Okay. Give that Papa to clean your iPad, Zoe.
It's still mine.
Wala na.
Yung mga handprints, oh.
Handprints?
Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Come on, let's put it Put it here and then we'll open it. Fill na natin to.
What gonna do with this one?
Oh, what happened? What happened?
What? Sprinkle a bit.
Kailangan mo siguro na
Coin?
coins.
Almost done. Thank you so much, guys.
And
We're
then
still
we'll
here.
then
Hindi ka marunong magpasok, Papa. Ha? Ako. Dapat tinanggal po pa ata yung the whole thing. Yung black. Ay, tinanggal.
done now.
Pala nauna muna to.
Nauna
Now
mo na
we
dapat yung red.
need
Tama.
shoes. Now
It's a red casing. Cause red. Zoe likes red.
what? Put the bottle in here.
Wow.
And then
Can that iPad be mine? Zo?
Wow, it's nice!
Nice.
Kala ko na yupi ko dito.
Will it?
Yung pala ganun talaga.
You let it.
Which and it's it. This one or this
Ito
one?
po.
This one, I can see it.
Zoe, you like it?
Yay! Congratulations!
We're putting.
Thank you guys. Please watch and subscribe our videos.
Open it. Let's download the games. How many games?
Turn it on.
5!
How do you turn it on?
Ito. Power button.
Power buttons.
Where's the power button? There you go.
Whoa!
Welcome to
Mansanas!
Apple.
Apple.
Set up mo na.
Hello. Say hello. Press. There you go.
You just.
English.
I will
English.
show you that.
Canada.
Let's put the
Set up manually. Quick start.
button here.
Set up manually or
Oo.
ah
Oo, manually.
manually.
Manual mo na.
Okay.
Yan ang key yan,
so-
Zoe.
This one.
Oo.
TV.
Password.
Password. Chuk chik. Chuk chuk chuk.
Let's put the bottle in here so we're not gonna waste time.
It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. But why me?
Why me?
Parang mabigat to ah.
Hindi yung casing niya, mabigat yung casing niya.
Continue. Touch,
Touch
ID.
ID? Oh, you want your touch ID?
Here, touch
Hmm.
ID.
Continue mo muna.
This one or this one?
No, this one. This one. Don't press slight lang. Touch mo lang.
And then,
Huwag mo natanggalin.
itatanggalin talaga yan para magano, basahin niya lahat.
Ay, ganun.
Yes.
Okay, come on. Place your finger. Lift your finger. Place your finger.
Yay! Okay.
Yeah.
First one.
Complete.
Come.
With password.
Do you have a password?
No.
No password na lang.
Ah?
Passcode options.
Nagpalit. Yung Apple ID ko is yung email ad ko. Ano yung password ko sa email ad?
Hindi ko alam.
What do you want to download?
So we're downloading Zoe's games,
Oh, which
transferring on.
Which one do you want to download it?
Oh, which one you wanna download, Zoe?
Wait, don't touch it.
Zoe, which games you wanna download on the
Which one? Right there. You choose.
You choose which game.
Which one? Which game?
5.
Where is it? What, this one? Which one the games you like?
And then I want.
What is it? What game?
It was so.
What game?
Oh, how about.
Town? What
Ano
is
pangalan niya?
Town Collection, eh?
Town Collection?
Hmm.
Town Collection, Zoe?
Yep.
Town Collection. My purchases.
Ayan.
Not that
Huwag na
one.
yan.
Little Pony? No? Dr. Panda. Toka.
Yeah.
The Toka?
Yeah, then the Disney.
Toka. Disney.
Yeah.
Which one?
And then this one.
Sonic?
Yep.
Or you press it? Press it.
Wow!
And then this
Congratulations.
one, and then this one, and then this one.
Oh wait, that's not yours. That's mine. So,
Wala na
It's
yan, wala
not
na yan.
yours.
Yung mga to.
Which one
Which
now?
games?
Huh?
Which games pa, Zoe?
Which games?
You
want-
choose
don't
what
want.
games you have here.
YouTube. May YouTube na ba to?
Wala pa.
128 gigabyte! Oh my goodness. Limited warranty Apple Care coverage available.
Go, 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 go,
Wow, I like your iPad. You download.
Yay! Congratulations!
Maybe lang.